How to use in-house list. We can easily reach the in-house list either using the list on the left or by clicking on the related icon in the upper toolbar. With the plus button, we may add a new reservation to the in-house list. By selecting one of the records in the list and clicking on the pencil or edit symbol in the upper toolbar, we may edit the existing reservation record. The same can be done by double-click on the desired reservation. With the print button, we may print the whole list, or we may click on the arrow next to the printer symbol and select one of the numerous printing options. For example, let's print one folio form. With the next button, we can refresh the in-house list, while with the Excel button, we may extract the list in Excel format. The same as with the other lists, grouping option is also possible within the in-house lists. By clicking on this three-line icon, we can view the log details related to this list use. The same as with the other lists, we can also design the list according to our preferences and save the changes under the name we define. From the Action menu, all the in-house related operations can be performed. How to use these options you may find out in other more detailed videos. Checkout and folio transactions operations are found under the Action menu, but these are also extracted on the main screen in the upper toolbar, since these are one of the most often used operations and buttons inside this list. With the tabs inside the in-house list, you may do the quick filtering. Expected arrivals for today are listed in this tab, while those for which check-in operations are completed are listed in the next one. In the same manner, Program automatically filters those reservations for which departure is expected today, as well as those for which the checkout was completed. VIP in-house guests are filtered on the separate tab inside this list. Under General Balance tab, we can see only those reservations with balances. If we continue to scroll this screen on the right, we will be able to see all agency and extra balances for each of these listed reservations. Virtual folio for non-existing reservation records, as well as the no-show folios, are listed in the separate tabs on the in-house list.